Hello and welcome to softexpert. In this short video you will learn how to scrape Amazon products into a CSV file and then how you can import that CSV into WooCommerce or a Shopify store. So in simple words, how you can import Amazon products into your WordPress or Shopify website, and that will be without using any extra plugin. We will be using a simple extension, which is this one. I'll provide the link in the description below where you can download this extension. So just click download Chrome extension. And this is the one, just add it to Chrome. By the way, you can use any Chromium based web browser like Edge and Brave. And once you add it, just go back to that page and reload the page. And you will see some options like Amazon listing page URL and assign an Amazon products URL. Now you can try any of these options. So let's say you want to have different products from different URLs. You can just grab the URLs and then paste a URL per line. Let me show you. Let's go to Amazon and let's open up any of these products. And I'll just copy the URL here, okay? We'll paste it here. Now you can keep this whole URL or you can just keep the assign number. And also you can have a complete URL here. So let's say you search for a product like, and then you can copy this whole URL and paste it here, and then you can get URLs from this listing page. You can see found 38 unique URLs. So this page here is displaying 38 products, okay? Now you can keep all of them and you can remove them. You can have more URLs or you can keep a few of them. I'll just use 2 or 3 to make it quick, and then we'll click on start scrape. This will visit Amazon and each product to scrape the data, okay? Let's come back to that URL and you can notice Amazon product scraping completed, okay? Scroll down, you will find the list. This is the SN number and the title, image, price and in stock. Let's click generate CSV and then get CSV, which will download a CSV file. Let's open it. And now you can make further changes to this CSV. If you want to change the title, the description, or even the prices for the affiliate marketing, you can even add your affiliate link if you want to, and so on. And if everything is okay, just save it. And now we have this CSV here that we can import to WooCommerce or Shopify store. And let's try importing this to WooCommerce. So I'll just go to WooCommerce here. I have installed this WooCommerce on this dummy store, okay? We don't have any products, so I'll just upload a CSV here. Choose file and I'll select that CSV and continue. Now the most important step here is to match the columns properly. In SQ we will keep the SI number. Now for the title we will choose name, short description. For the image URL we will change it to images. Description is fine, price is regular price, and this is the URL. So it will go to external URL and tags. And let's run the importer. And 2 products imported successfully. Let's view them. And there we go. We have the title, the images, the SQ, prices. We can create categories for them and so on. Let's view any of them. Okay, this is just a dummy theme, so you can fix your own store. We have the description, you can add it to cart, and the prices and so on. So in this way you can easily scrape Amazon products and then you can import it to your Shopify or WordPress website. Thanks to this person who created this amazing extension. And to learn more about WordPress, WooCommerce and creating a store, you can follow my channel. And still, if there were any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.